Creative, I am tired. It is so hot. You know what I really don't feel like doing today? I don't feel like creating, but I'm still gonna, and I'll tell you why. When I say creation is inertia, I am actually talking about the science of forming habits. When you do something daily, when you do something regularly, you actually are training your body and brain to say, hey, I need to devote resources to this thing because we're doing it often. It's the same principle behind exercising, behind practicing an instrument or anything else. The more you do it, the more your body and brain devote resources to it, and they get better at it. Creation is the same way. If you really want to make the kind of habit that's reliable so you never get stuck again, you need to create even when you don't feel like it, even when you don't have anything to say. You don't have to have something to say. This is about training you to show up at the table, at the paper, at the piano, at whatever your medium is. Remember the principles of Create It 22. It can be small. It can be terrible. It just needs to exist. So whether or not you feel like making something today, do it. Sit down and do it. I'm doing it, and so can you. However you're feeling creative, sit down with me now. Take 2 minutes. And let's make something new.